Friends, Nurullah from Abu Dhabi. How are you all? Suddenly, it strikes my mind a couple of small but very important points, and I thought I would share with you all. Perhaps it might be of use for you. I see suddenly the fire extinguisher. Every time I go to the kitchen in my home, I see the fire extinguisher which is fit on the wall. Also, when I go to my vehicle, also I will see the fire extinguisher which is already coming along with the vehicle. So we happen to see fire extinguisher wherever we go and wherever it is required and wherever it is important that there is the risk of outbreak of fire. When it comes to fire extinguisher, it is the most unused object. It is one of the most unused objects, but it is highly essential and very much important to know how to use it as and when there is an unprecedented and accidental fire outbreak. Otherwise, there is no point of having this fire extinguisher and we don't know how to operate and we lose lives. Lives are precious. It is the minimum thing that we can do. Whatever the fire extinguisher which is already fit in your home, in kitchen or wherever, or in your vehicle, just try to look through the details that is mentioned in the fire extinguisher on what type of fire extinguisher it is, and go to the Google, YouTube, try to explore and how to operate that specific fire extinguisher. If at all there is a fire accidental outbreak, God forbids. Worst case scenario, we must know on how to operate this fire extinguisher with which we can save precious lives, our family's lives, our fellow brethren's lives. It's very much important. Just, very basics of how to release the knob of the fire extinguisher and how to operate, how to, pull or push the knob that is present in the fire extinguisher so that the content inside can be spurting out to try to extinguish the fire. Go to now, after seeing this video, if at all you already have one fire extinguisher in any of your setup in your home or vehicle, go to the specifics, try to get the specific model number or the specific nature of the fire extinguisher, go to the YouTube and just know how to operate if at all there is a fire outbreak. This is very important. It saves lives. Second thing is CPR. You must have heard about this word CPR every now and then. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. If in case a person has collapsed due to the fact that he's suffered a cardiac arrest, all of a sudden the heart of the person stops working, stops functioning for whatsoever the reason. It's a sudden cardiac arrest, and what you should do, the timely CPR will save the lives till the person is brought to the hospital, the clinic, for the medical practitioners' advice and treatment, further treatment. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation is very simple to do, but very valuable to safeguard the precious lives. Just go to YouTube, Google, and nowadays companies are always, safety conscious. All the companies, they are always putting the CPR concept in the minds of the employees. They instills and inculcates the concept of how to operate the fire extinguishers in general, or how to do CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, if at all there is circumstances arise. Just go. I'm not here to tell you how to do CPR. It's very simple how to do. Go to the YouTube, just watch how to do CPR. There are some techniques of how to do. Any layman, any common man without medical background can do that by putting, the hands at the right position, also to do the CPR at the right point of right place of the body in the victim. So just go and observe and learn how CPR is done. What I used to do normally, every now and then I go to YouTube to revive my thoughts on how to do CPR or how to use the fire extinguisher. We don't know when the circumstances will arise. By God's grace, it should not arise, but we don't know. But as and when the situation arises, at least we are equipped with our own skills on how to do. And even if you are not doing it in a practical manner, which companies are doing nowadays actually, or in a training centers are doing nowadays, at least theoretically, if you have this knowledge, when you apply, at least even the 100% is not the 80 percentage. At least the knowledge can be practiced, can be delivered, and it would save again lots of precious lives. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. I thought I would share this with you. Perhaps, who knows, God forbids any accident, any fire outbreak, or any cardiac arrest, or any kinds of situation happens, at least we know how to handle such predicament situations. Thank you, guys.